Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. I'd just like to say, we have been really quite bullish on the ASX 200, the way it's been moving, and we're actually quite right. I mean, today it's sort of even the market hasn't quite closed, but it looks like it's broken above that 5,400 level, and for me that looks really bullish. So hopefully that will set us up for a decent start of the week next week. So fingers crossed. Um, what it did today, having a decent market gave us opportunity to take some money, and we did obviously with Burson Group. For us, with Burson, we made a nice sort of 4.25% profit on that stock in 10 days. For us, that's a good little trade. Just get up the chart. I mean, we do like Burson Group, and I think we're going to be in and out of this one, possibly like yo-yos over the next 6 months. But we like it, and hopefully, if we can get a market where we feel a little bit more secure, we can just let these trends run a lot longer, which is definitely what we prefer to do if we can. Um, and again, obviously, FRM. FRM, just put in here. Sorry. FRM was another good little winner for us, and we made a nice sort of 10.81% profit on that stock which was in about 21 days, just over 3 weeks. Again, I think that's a great profit, and we're really lucky today because I was a little bit concerned about trending this one because it is sort of quite lightly, the volume's a bit light, but I did feel there was a lot of buying coming in today, and it gave us a really good chance to get our members out with a really good profit. So again, a nice sort of 10.81% profit in 3 weeks. It's annualized. It's way over 100% return. So we love these sort of deals, Equity Story, and we like obviously diving in and making good money in a short time. It's a really good way to put our money to work and make it work hard for us. Locality planning. Wow, what a day! Hitting record highs. What a fantastic company this is, and look at that chart. Just absolutely love it. We've always liked this stock, and that's had this little breakout and had this next move up. And for me, the chart looks like this is just going to be trending higher over the next 2 or 3 months, and I don't think it's long before it's going to hit that sort of 0.06 level. And Wangle again up so far today 22.5%. Again, often you see that sort of movement. Stocks get listed within the IPO, and there's a little bit of profit taking, or people sort of put money out for the IPO, obviously taking some cash out. It's come back nicely to sort of 3 cents, and again had a really good day today, and that looks really bullish. So I'm presuming, we actually, obviously, I think it's a fantastic app. I mean, it's an app that why wouldn't everyone have it? It's going to save you money with all your data costs. But again, it looks it's great movement today, which is I think it's really bullish. And little AKP, again, it looks like it's closing around sort of $15 again, hitting record highs. And again, this shows the importance of this one. We've liked this story since this area where we put it on in sort of August. September, end of 2014, and we've had a lot of pain with this. We've had to sit for a long time. It came back a long way and bounced off that 200-day moving average, and now we're making sort of pretty good profits, or very good profits in AKP. Again, like I said the other day, I wouldn't sort of be buying it around these sort of levels, but again, I think it's got a great little bullish chart, and it just shows you the importance of patience. And often these little 10-baggers, they're not always going to double in the first 6 months or 3 weeks, which obviously we've had a lot of stocks that have done that, and I think everyone is on the of the opinion every time we put a stock out it's going to double pretty quickly. But we're pretty patient. Equity Story, we like these 10-baggers or a 3-year growth story, and we really believe in the story, and eventually we feel obviously if we've got it right, the stock will do well. And again, this stock looks absolutely fantastic now. Just having a look at, obviously, we every week we give an idea of stocks which have got sort of bullish signals, or they've got buy signals, and we can see GXL for us has done really well this week. It's up sort of nice, around 2.15%, obviously outperforming the market. That was our only sort of classic buy signal we had. But again, all the bullish stocks have done very, very well. Great to see, I think MYX up about 11%. VRT was up about 4.14% at one stage. Vocus outperforming, just up not far off 3% by the end of the week. So, again, Soul Pat's up, for us, and BAP obviously was up. It's opened the week at $5, and it's closing about 5.13. So, again, those bullish stocks that we said bullish, obviously outperforming the market and doing very, very well. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I just sort of bring some of our results over so you can have a look. And obviously, we're proud of what we're doing here. We're proud of the sort of results we're getting for members, but we are sort of there is an undercurrent of I think doubts in the market. So we are being aggressive with all our trends. We are taking profits pretty aggressively, even though our markets look fairly bullish. We are being aggressive, and we still think that is the correct way to play the market at the moment. Like I said a few times before, we're really looking forward for a nice normal market environment with a nice gently trending up ASX 200, and but unfortunately we haven't had one of those. Well, not really since we've opened Equity Story, and it might be a few years yet, so we'll see. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I look forward to bringing you this report on Monday. Good night.